Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of disabling offline mail in Gmail on your PC. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your preferred web browser and heading to the Gmail website. Step 2. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for the settings icon located at the top of the screen. Give it a click. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select See All Settings to access the Gmail settings page. Step 4. In the settings menu, you'll notice different tabs at the top. Click on the one that says Offline. Step 5. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see an option labeled Offline with a checkbox next to it. To disable offline mail in Gmail, simply uncheck the box. And that's it. You've successfully disabled offline mail in Gmail on your PC. From now on, you won't have access to your emails when you're offline. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.